Back on here after I do some more cleanup down in the where it fits in there, and then today we have a special guest out here in the Rat Rod garage. Say hello, honey baby.
Hello, honey baby.
She is painting doors for the inside of the RV. And she is sharing workspace with me, which I think is a lot of fun, because I'm out here all by myself. I don't have anybody to even talk to except for YouTubers, but here I am. I got honey baby, and if I wanted to ask her, you know, about the weather or anything, she's just here to converse.
I can hear you talking to yourself.
What?
How much you talk to yourself out here?
What are you trying to say? All right, so I got this thing all by my lonesome, yeah.
Engine parts.
Yeah. Yeah. Bless my heart. So I got the intake manifold off and back on. I put a huge portion of black RTV silicone gasket stuff on it, and cranked it up, moved it, and it sounded good, but I don't want to run it much. I want to give it time for that stuff to kind of firm up real good. But I did want to move it back a little bit because I want to readjust my cable brake there. I noticed the other day it was tight enough to stop it going forward, but going backward not so much so. So I know that I had plenty of adjustment left. So I'm going to jack her up, get up under it, and adjust that little screw thing. I'll do that right now. Oh, and there's big news. I'm going to Vermont tomorrow to pick up a vehicle for Rusty Acres. And I'll tell you the story about that as we go over there, but I'm not gonna talk about it yet, but it's news, it's coming, it's news and it's coming. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy.